Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time again, guys. To be honest, these kind of drink which I'm making is, a lot of people say, Chef Ricardo, where you get such ideas from? You know what I mean? But today we want to make you a perfect drink where you guys can try this one at home. For the ladies and for the men. A lot of men, like this kind of drinks, and a lot of ladies do like this kind of drinks. And I have the idea and I say, you know what, I'm definitely gonna share it with the fans then. Alright? So today I'm making a nice, lovely drink, and the name of the drink, it is push-up drink. A lot of men like to do push-up to build up themselves and to build up their muscle, and also for the ladies. So if you're a person who jog in the morning, go to the gym and do pushing up and all these things, this is a drink for you. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And also, you can get my cookbook to buy on Amazon at 50% off at the moment. A lot of people, love the book, brought the book. And also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on the social media network, Instagram, and also Google Plus and Twitter and Facebook. My like page is there. We got almost 30,000 likes on the like page. So guys, stay tuned and continue to log on and enjoy the recipe, guys. We got more recipe coming. If you have your ideas when you want to share it with Chef Ricardo, it's up to you. You can share it with me. I'm willing to learn. If you have any ideas, share it with me. The team is working very hard to push out the best recipe for you guys. So today, push up drink. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to donate to the studio, which is what we are working on, and hopefully we'll come up very soon with it. Thank you so much, and hopefully you will like this recipe. Share it to your friend and to your neighbor and to your co-worker, to your sister, and tell them about push-up drink. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So guys, today we want to make you a nice, lovely push-up drink, as I mentioned before in the video. Basically, as I can see, I got a smoothie blender right here. If you have one of these this Ultra IQ Ninja blender, which is very good, and just blend out things very smoothly, quickly and easy and nice, it's good to work with. Alright, so first of all, as you can see, empty, nothing inside of it. And now I'm going to start off with the process of making this push-up drink. Basically, guys, I want you to listen to me very carefully. First thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to put some ice cream inside of it. That's 1 scoop of ice cream so far already, and another scoop of ice cream. So that's 2 scoops of ice cream, which is gonna give it a lot of flavor inside of it. But you know that, it's just brilliant. The idea behind the scene of this drink, I did a lot of drink before similar to this one, but this one is gonna be totally different. As you can see, we've got 2 scoops of ice cream inside of it so far. Second thing, we're gonna put a pack of oats. This is oats. Basically, you can get oats in the supermarket, in the shop to buy. A pack of oats will probably work out about 4 large tablespoons of oats. Alright? So we're gonna pour it straight inside of it like this. That's the oats. Second thing, we're gonna put some Jagan. A lot of people know Jagan. Jagan is where you can get in the shop. It's alcohol. But if you're allergic to alcohol, please don't use it, guys. But if you're not allergic to alcohol, you can use it. If you want to not to use alcohol, you can use malt. So we're gonna pour roughly, I said, 1/4 bottle of this inside of it. Not too much. I'm using about roughly 1/4 bottle of the Jagan inside of it. All right. So far, we got the oats, the ice cream, and the Jagan. That's 3 items gone so far. Roughly, we got 1 tablespoon of raw peanut. Peanut, you can get that in the local shop, supermarket to buy. And raw peanut is really good. If you're allergic to nuts or anything nuts, peanut is nuts. So please, guys, if you're allergic to these, you don't need to add your nuts. All right? Straight inside of it like that. Right here, basically, I have some peanut. This is some peanut with some cashew inside of it. Again, this is cashew and peanut mixed together. And this one is out of the pot. This one is already done. So roughly, we're going to put 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of it. It mixed with some cashew. I don't know why they didn't mix it. All right? So that's it inside of it already. A lot of people know Nutriment. Nutriment, in Jamaica we call it Supergen, but this one is Nutriment. Original, vanilla flavor. You can use strawberry flavor, your flavor you like to use. So basically what you do, you open it. And we're gonna pop a little bit also inside of it like this. Not too much. Roughly about quarter cans of it. Then we're gonna put a pinch of vanilla inside of it. Not too much vanilla. A pinch of essence. Essence and vanilla just give it a different flavor. Just a little pinch of that also inside of it. And also we're gonna put a finger of ripe banana inside of it. One finger of ripe banana. Just break it up just like this and put it inside of it. You might say this part is looked at this kind of way, but that's fine. It's gonna be blended inside of it. And you're also gonna give it a lot of flavor, so that's fine. Simple, we're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon, not too much. Just a little pinch. A pinch of ginger. And also we have some grounded nutmeg egg. As you can see, this is just quarter teaspoon straight inside of it. This one is some grounded mixed spice, quarter teaspoon. This is a proper push-up drink, guys. Seriously. If we know exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this drink, wow, man, it's crazy. Then next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some sweet condensed milk in it, roughly about 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. I might put a little bit more of the nutriment inside of it just to free up the blender, just a little bit more, and a little bit more of the jug on. Now all you're gonna do is cover it just like this. And remember, if you have one of these good Ultra IQ Ninja blender, the 1000 watt, very good to use. So basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna blend this to roughly about 3 to 4 seconds, because this is a proper good blender and it's very, very good to blend stuff with. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it. Alright, so if I blend it, nice and lovely. So now this is finished, guys, and basically I'm gonna just remove it like this. Put this one side. But as you can see, right here, this is my glass. Basically I should blend it with a few pieces of ice inside of it, but as you can see, you know what I mean, just to make it really cool and nice and natural, because I like it when it's like that. But basically it's fine, and to be honest, now we're gonna give it a shake. Oh man, see me the scent of that. Look at that. Beautiful and nice push-up drink. I want you to enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and tell someone about this recipe, guys. It's just brilliant. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys, and I'm telling you, you guys will love it. You will love this drink. Really, really finely and smooth and nice. As you can see, you just blend it out perfectly. Really nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out in the future, and even more to come soon. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team.